Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this Tuta mail guide for 2026, I'll show you how to fix Tuta mail email delivery failed issues. Whether your emails are bouncing back, recipients aren't receiving your messages, or you're getting delivery failure notifications, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve the problem. So let's get started. First, check the recipient's email address carefully. One of the most common causes of delivery failures is an incorrect or misspelled email address. Even a small typo can prevent your message from reaching its destination. Next, review any bounce-back message or delivery error notification you received. These messages often contain valuable information about why the email could not be delivered. If you're sending attachments, verify that the files are within the allowed size limits. Large attachments can sometimes trigger delivery problems or cause emails to be rejected by the receiving server. Another important step is to check your internet connection. A weak or interrupted connection can interfere with the email sending process and lead to delivery issues. If you're using a custom domain with Tuta Mail, review your domain's email configuration. Incorrect DNS records or mail settings can affect both sending and delivery reliability. And that's how to fix Tuta mail email delivery failed issues. By checking recipient information, reviewing error messages, verifying account settings, and testing your connection, you can resolve most delivery problems and ensure your emails reach their destination successfully. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.